Are you seeing this error on WhatsApp Business? This account cannot create or send business broadcast on WhatsApp. Don't worry, let me explain it shortly and clearly. This issue happens in WhatsApp Business when WhatsApp detects too many promotional messages, low engagement or user reports, and also or violations of WhatsApp Business policies. Because of this, WhatsApp restricts your business broadcast feature to protect users from spam. Now let's talk about the alternative solution. But before going forward, I request do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tips, tricks, and fixes of different problems. If you are doing marketing or promotions, you can use bulk sender for marketing app. This type of tools help you send messages to multiple contacts so one by one instead of using WhatsApp broadcast system. How it actually works, you upload contact numbers, write one message, this app sends messages automatically. Messages go as normal chats, not broadcast. This reduces restriction risk and is useful for small scale marketing. But remember, always use bulk sender tools responsibly. Avoid spam and follow WhatsApp rules to keep your account safe. Keep your number safe. For more WhatsApp business fixes, marketing tips, and app tutorials, subscribe now and I will help you grow safely and smartly.